Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Today we are going to discuss index used in Microsoft Word, and this is used to list names, keywords of a document at the end of a document or the end of a book. You might see at the ends of so many books there index. With the help of index we can easily find the words discussed in that document. So first if I select a word which you want to include in the index list, select a word and press mark, entry, or press shortcut using Alt Shift X. Now in this dialog box, main entry is that word. Click mark. Now select another word. For example, this word I want to include it in the index of this document. Select and mark. Select another word, and you can also click all the words by clicking mark all words which I selected here. Okay, select another word, mark all words, select all the main important topics which you want to insert in the index. This one, select another word. Similarly, on next page, select another word. Select another word and include it for making index. Now close this document. Go to the end of document. I'll press Ctrl plus Enter to begin a new document, new page. Now go to Home. Tab here, hide or show. Click this option to hidden the number of paragraphs, tabs, etc. Now here we want to include index. Now again going to reference tab, click here, insert index. In this dialog box you can select so many options, templates. For example, you want to format classic, modern, bulleted. You can see the preview of this index. You can also increase or decrease the number of columns of index and then press OK. So index is prepared. The words which starting with A, animal, is available on present on page 3. Similarly, choice is present on page 1, or C, conjunction, is present on page 3. This is an index.